let's talk about a phrase you've probably heard before. Business logic doesn't belong in integration. It sounds simple, but what does it really mean in practice? In integration work, we often deal with message transformation, routing, or protocol bridging. These are clearly part of integration logic. But what about rules like an order over €1,000 needs supervisor approval, or product availability must be revalidated after 15 minutes? These kinds of rules are business logic. They are specific to one domain, customer, or process, and they don't belong in the integration layer. Why not? Because integration needs to be loosely coupled and reusable. If you include rules that should be handled by the business process in the source or target system, the interface becomes harder to maintain and reuse. It also becomes harder to change when business needs evolve. So where does business logic belong? Ideally, it stays in the source or target systems, or in a dedicated business rule engine or service layer. However, the reality is not always perfect. Sometimes we end up implementing conditional logic or exceptions in integration flows. That's not ideal. But it's also sometimes necessary to keep systems talking. Just remember to make these exceptions explicit, isolated, and well documented. Finally, always question: is this logic really needed here? Would it be better handled upstream or downstream? That question alone helps avoid most mistakes. Hi, I'm Ari, an integration architect and your instructor on this course. If this short preview gave you something valuable, imagine what you'd gain from a full guided learning path. Mastering Integration Development is built for professionals who want to understand real systems, real patterns, and real integration tools. We've created a complete course with a one-time offer, no subscriptions, just full access and lasting results. You'll also get practical bonuses and support that help you move forward with confidence. Go to dataintegrationmastery.com and see what's included. If integration is your path, this course will help you walk it like a pro. See you there.